Today in this video we're going to look at the best motherboards on the market. If you're interested in any of the products we talk about today, you can find the links down in the description below. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. Asus ROG Strix B550F. Ready to take your gaming rig to the next level? Imagine faster load times, seamless online gameplay, and top-tier performance, all packed into a stylish and reliable motherboard. Whether you're chasing victory in competitive matches or building a versatile workstation, this motherboard is designed to exceed expectations. With cutting-edge connectivity, incredible cooling solutions, and premium features, it's the perfect choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. This powerhouse features dual M.2 slots, including support for the latest PCIe 4.0 standard, enabling blazing fast data speeds and flexible storage options. Onboard Wi-Fi 6E ensures ultra-fast wireless networking, while Intel 2.5 gigabits Ethernet boosts wired connection speeds for lag-free gaming and speedy file transfers. Add Bluetooth version 5.2, and you have unparalleled connectivity across all your devices. What sets this motherboard apart is its advanced cooling options. With multiple temperature sources, Fan Expert 4 software, and headers for PWM, DC fans and AIO pump systems, your rig stays cool even under intense loads. Plus, AI noise-canceling microphone software eliminates background distractions for crystal-clear communication during gameplay. Built to last, this motherboard includes a robust 12+2 power stage design, Pro-Cool power connectors, and high-quality alloy chokes, ensuring reliable performance for AMD Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors. Number 4. Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite Axe. Building a high-performance PC has never been easier or more exciting. Imagine seamless gaming, lightning-fast data transfers, and premium features all working together to create the ultimate computing experience. This motherboard is here to redefine what's possible, delivering next-gen connectivity, robust power, and advanced cooling to satisfy the most demanding users. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or enthusiast, this motherboard is the perfect foundation for your dream build. Designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, it supports the powerful AM5 socket and DDR5 memory, giving you blazing fast speeds and unrivaled performance. With PCIe 5.0 support and multiple M.2 slots featuring ultra-durable armor and thermal guards, your system can handle high-speed NVMe storage with ease. Plus, the easy latch design allows for quick and screwless installation of PCIe and M.2 components, making upgrades a breeze. Stay cool under pressure with a cutting-edge thermal design that includes fully covered MOSFET heatsinks, a 6mm heat pipe, and advanced Smart Fan 6 technology. On the connectivity front, this motherboard offers Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 GB LAN, Bluetooth 5, and front and rear USB-C ports to keep you connected at breakneck speeds. Audio enthusiasts will love the dynamic hi-fi audio powered by high-end capacitors, while RGB Fusion lets you customize your build with vibrant addressable LED and RGB LED strips. Number 3. Asus Prime B450MA2. Ready to build a PC that's reliable, efficient, and packed with features? This motherboard is the perfect choice for anyone seeking a solid foundation for their first build or an upgrade that balances performance and durability. With seamless compatibility, excellent cooling, and advanced features, it caters to both beginners and seasoned builders. Whether you're assembling a workhorse for productivity or a rig for casual gaming, this board delivers everything you need to power your ambitions. Compatible with AMD Ryzen 5000, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st gen processors, it offers the versatility to match your needs today while leaving room to grow in the future. USB 3.2 Gen 2 ensures ultra-fast data transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second, while support for up to 128 GB of DDR4 RAM with overclocking capabilities up to 4400 MHz ensures smooth multitasking and excellent system performance. Onboard M.2 support and HDMI 2.0B, DVI, and D sub outputs provide flexibility for modern storage and display setups. Cooling is a breeze with VRM and PCH heatsinks, thermal pads, and ASUS Fan Expert 2 Plus, giving you precise fan control to maintain optimal temperatures quietly. Built with longevity in mind, it features LaneGuard, DRAM overcurrent protection, safe slot core safeguards, and stainless steel back I/O, ensuring your system is protected for years to come. Enhance your experience with immersive gaming audio powered by premium Japanese capacitors, audio shielding, and dedicated PCB layers for reduced interference. Number 2. ASUS ROG Strix B650A. Get ready to elevate your PC experience to new heights with a motherboard that combines cutting-edge performance, advanced cooling, and stunning design. Whether you're a gamer, creator, or tech enthusiast, this powerhouse delivers the speed, efficiency, and reliability you need for next-gen computing. From handling intensive workloads to dominating in the latest games, it's built to support your ambitions without breaking a sweat. Designed for AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, it offers seamless compatibility with the latest technology. The robust power solution features 12+2 power stages, Pro-Cool power connectors, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors, ensuring stable and efficient performance even for multi-core processors. Paired with DDR5 memory support, it provides blazing fast speeds and improved efficiency to handle any task with ease. Thermals are no challenge thanks to massive VRM heatsinks, strategically cut airflow channels, and high-conductivity thermal pads that keep your system cool under pressure. Next-gen storage is also a highlight, with one PCIe 5.0 M2 slot and two PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, all equipped with heatsinks to maintain peak performance even during heavy use. Number 1. Gigabyte B650 Eagle Axe. If you're ready to step into the future of PC performance, this motherboard is the perfect companion for your next build. Combining next-generation connectivity, robust power delivery, and advanced cooling solutions, it offers everything you need to create a system that excels in speed, stability, and reliability. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or a productivity powerhouse, this board ensures your rig is up to any challenge. Built to support AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, it features the AM5 socket and compatibility with DDR5 memory, unlocking blazing fast speeds and smooth multitasking. The unparalleled 12+2+2 digital VRM solution ensures stable and efficient power delivery, even for the most demanding workloads, while its advanced thermal design, including M.2 thermal guards, keeps your components cool and performing at their best.